morning everyone. So today is Friday the 11th and it is 6:55. Today we're going to be touring around the southern tip of the island. So I'm just gonna go down for breakfast and then come back up here for a bit before we leave at 8:30. And now we're heading out the door. We're gonna go downstairs to meet with everyone. It is currently 8:15 and then we're going to head out. Here we go. So we have made it to the museum. I'm not sure. What is this place called? Okay, we've made it to Okinawa World. And I think we're just gonna go wander around and see inside the cave.
We are currently here, okay? Cave ends at here. Takes about 25 minutes average for everybody to walk to the cave underground. Alright? When you come out of here, you're gonna go to the Ryukyu Village. From the Ryukyu Village, they have the tropical garden first. Then there's a glass studio. There's even a shisa place that they make all on their own. Then this is a village. Okay, the village has a lot of things. After the village, this is the Asa, and our lunch is here.
Grilled oyster, grilled chicken, grilled chicken liver, all that kind of stuff.
So it's really humid at the opening of the cave, but we're going down into the cave where there's a lot of stalactites and stalagmites, I guess. But it's like, you go down, it says it's 21 degrees Celsius. I'm not sure that is in change, but here, look, this is the stair. So you have to go all the way down these stairs. Yeah, I came here like in 2011. So you go down in the cave and it's just like a walk around. Oh, it's so humid in here, my camera has to keep focusing. We've made it out of the cave. That took like 25 minutes to get out of, and it's so humid that my camera is a little wet. But here's the escalator that we're gonna go up. It's pretty steep. Into the sunlight we go. In some kind of tropical garden. Oh, and there's butterflies in here, but this is, if anyone doesn't know, this is what the vanilla plant looks like when it's not in this state right here, like this. It looks like this on the plant. So I guess these green parts are the part that turns to vanilla. Okay, and they even have pineapple. There's pineapple. Let's take a picture here.
What did yours say?
Keep pulling till it's a good one.
So we just came upon Ryukyu Ken, which is like the native dog to Okinawa. And he's so cute. Look. So this is where they make the mishu, I think, kind of with habu inside. So they have all of these habu inside here that are preserved. And they make awamori with it. They make awamori out right here. After they put the snake inside too. Here, I'll show you. Picture with the snake, the python, the albino python, and then now we are going to eat lunch in here. Pretty much only our fish over here. Brian has the worst feet. Look at his feet. Everybody else. Oh, Brian. Bought a scarf from this place right here. And everything is green. Like made from, I think it's bamboo and sugar cane. So it's really cute. I bought a pink and green scarf. I'm gonna try to kimono pictures. High collar. We always have to get ice cream. We are the ice cream family.
And then you gotta go do the fish. Because we have to see.
What about you?
We're heading over to the Dr. Fish. We're gonna go get ice cream. Eat ice cream while we watch Mr. Brandon over there. Oh, where'd he go? But we're gonna make my dad do the Dr. Fish in this building right here. I want to see how many fish go on his feet. It'll be fun. Look how cute Mom looks. We're walking back to the bus. And then I think we're going to the Peace Memorial. I'm not sure, but I think that's where we're going. Just made it to the Peace Memorial Park, and we're going through the exhibit part first. We just finished at the Peace Memorial, heading back to the hotel. So we're downstairs waiting to go to the dinner show. It's like we're gonna eat and then there's some kind of show that's gonna be happening. But everybody's in really nice clothes. Looks like we're all going to work. So we're at this place called Urashima, and it's the show and a dinner. And it looks like this over here. Oh, that's okay. Okay, we sat down. This is our layout with everybody. So we have the mimiga and the mozuku, and then